That was weak.
Oh, you got a big job there, man.
You can ask anyone if you need help.
Oh, maybe this is because you didn't eat. You think you have enough energy to do gymnastics?
Amanda, you're not doing a good job.
Amanda.
Oh, Amanda.
Amanda, you're going to set the house on fire.
I got it.
Yay! Oh, not so much.
You gotta do it all over again.
Amanda, you forgot a
Do you
couple.
need help?
Come
on! Anyone need help?
Okay, everybody.
No, I don't want to do it. Do you need help? No. Careful, you're just spitting on the cup.
Yeah, let's not spit on the
Oh,
jump.
I want to help you.
Okay, that's enough.
Wait, no.
That's enough. Hurry up.
What is wrong with you?
Mandy, you ruined your whole birthday.
Oh my gosh, Miss LeRoy better, Coach LeRoy better take it easy on you tonight.
Yeah, you're supposed to be an athlete with superior breathing.
What the hell?
I'll help you.
Before she's completely burnt out. 1, 2,
Amanda.
3,
Come on, Amanda.
4, 5.
Come on.
You're spitting on me.
Okay, got it.
Oh, we just set Grandpa on fire.
Amanda, what?
Grandpa, you're on fire.
Okay.
Oh, good job.
Finally! Victory is mine! When's your grandpa's? What?
Yay.